Team Yokomo enjoyed success at the All Japan 110 Scale Off-Road Championships. Classic Japanese colors and racing. Very nice. Orlovsky after double TQ, double win at USA Carpet Off-Road Championships with Schumacher machines. JP Sartell racing at indoor event at Reims, wins Draghi, brushless with Techno RC. After leaving Serpent, Mazzeo joins Capricorn. His first big event will be the held these days Miami GP in the USA with the beautiful Capricorn Nitro GT machine. Leonardo Valente left S-Works but continues with Reds Racing. The Italian company will soon announce a new prod driver. Mizan continues in Malaysia with S-Works. This is the nicely prepared Thilo Diekman Capricorn machine for the Miami GP. Full program for Nemo Racing Agama for 2023. The N1T Draghi with the horizontal shocks placement is now in prototype form and being tested. Nova Engines line, soon to be released. S-Works has new, more durable inserts, probably in the World's Update kit. In a photo by Saunders. Digital measurement tool by Rudog. JT Bearing Co. has one-piece engine mounts for most 1/8 scale machines. This is the manual, or a part of it, for the Iris Touring 1/10 scale electric machine.